Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok shop not showing. It's really simple and easy. There are some methods that will help you to show TikTok shop. First method is maybe you are using outdated version of TikTok. So firstly, you have to update your TikTok app from Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Open it up and search for TikTok and make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. If there is any update, just make sure to update and see if it's showing your TikTok option or not. If not, you can try the second method. Tap on these three bars and open this settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on this report a problem. Then scroll down and tap on this chat with us. You can type here, the TikTok shop feature is not showing in my account. Help me to fix this issue and click on send. After submitting it, the team will investigate your issue and fix this. The third and last method is open your Google and search for TikTok shop eligible countries. And here you will find a list of eligible countries where TikTok shop is available. If you are not from these countries, then the first two methods will not work for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.